Look, sir, madam, look, ma'am, ready.
First part is basically we have to provide free admission to all the children in the section and disadvantaged. So these non-minority schools have been added later parts where Supreme Court they reserved 25% in any form. And the second part says should not be discriminated from the rest of the children in any.
Do you know you can now get free admission in private schools? How is it possible? Under the right to
I'm really delighted to join with you for the release of the standard operation procedures and the launch of State of Meghalaya website for the implementation of Section 12, Subclass 1, Subclass C of the Right to Education Act 2009. This provision of RTE Act ensures that 25% of the entry-level seats in private unaided non-minority schools are reserved for children from economically weaker section and socially who are backward. It is a vital steps towards the inclusivity, equality, and the fulfillment of every child's constitutional right to education. The SOP provides clarity and uniformity in the implementation, while the new website brings transparency and efficiency. It will also strengthen the partnership between the government and the private schools, making education a shared responsibility and collective mission. This is not just compliance with the law, it is a strategic investment in inclusive growth, social integration and future of our state of Meghalaya and nation.